So what do we gain from implementing an ERP system? Okay, so what are the goals on the onset? Everybody thinks, well, my old one's aging, it doesn't integrate. So typically business owners and executives have ambitions for a replacement system. Those are expectations that should be mapped out on the front end. But just from experience, let me tell you what owners gain and companies gain when they implement a new Microsoft Dynamics solution. Business process automation. We have the ability to capture a transaction at the earliest point, whether that's an employee that's in the field using a mobile device to submit a requisition for something they need to buy, or maybe they're submitting a timesheet. Maybe they're an employee that's updating their HR data and they want to change their W-4 for taxes or enroll in new benefits at the beginning of the year. Those are examples of peripheral data creation. So business process management, very essential, very core component. Business intelligence, analytics, decision-making information that's real time. So many companies are making decisions by looking 45-day-old data. You can't make decisions on old data. It's like looking in the rearview mirror trying to decide where you should go. So key component, business analytics, business intelligence, standard offering. More efficiency in transaction processing. Companies want to grow and they need that extra capacity in their workforce so they don't throw labor at a growth ambition. Dynamics GT, Dynamics AX, and CRM offer those types of efficiencies where workers can do more work. Okay, so another component, it's around business intelligence, but creating actionable business intelligence where workers log into the system and they're presented with work they need to perform. No more of this people wondering, what should I do? These applications serve up activities with priorities, with due dates, and have links where they can drive them right to completing those activities. So those are just a few of the pillars of what do we expect to gain, but at the end, what does that do for us? Profitability is a big deal. I'm making better decisions based on real-time information. Efficiencies, which drive down cost and again, relate to more profitability. At the end of the day, we want more cash. Everybody wants more cash. Managing the business with these tools allows us to have more efficient receivables, maybe more efficient inventory, and we're paying people on time, and all of those things relate to a more robust balance sheet and an income statement for an organization. So, big value prop. Typically we're profiling companies that are looking to upgrade or replace their business management solutions in the next 6 to 12 months. And part of that rationale is they're strapped with old technologies that are not expandable, that don't really meet their business needs. Maybe they're having problems with reporting, integrating data because of the industry. And so as companies are in that situation, they come to Turnkey and say, what are the options that the Microsoft Dynamics solution space offers? And so again, Turnkey's process is very clearly defined as we're doing detailed analysis of the business processes that an organization wants to implement. We match those to one of the solutions we represent. On the ERP side, it could be Dynamics GP or Dynamics AX. And then we go through a very careful fit gap analysis to see how closely those ambitions of business process map to the solutions. Everything lines up. Again, we do presentations, we do deep dive demonstrations. We get past contracts and then we begin implementation of that. But really the characteristic is the company has to have pain. And a lot of times it's industry pain where they do not have the efficiency, or they cannot connect remote users, or they don't have the applications to do the types of processes they need. And technology changes, and again, business needs change, and here we are to help, and that's kind of what we do.